So here we have the Ford Transit on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you the storage in the back of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As we approach the back of the van, you can see that it's all been ply lined. We have reversing sensors, full metal bulkhead, and a sliding side door access as well. Okay, now that we're inside the van, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge, and beneath that, it will show you what gear this vehicle is in. So it's an automatic. We are in park at the moment. Above that, we have the trip computer, which includes the total miles of the car. They're 11,086. We've got a digital readout for the speedometer above that, and you can change that for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. Back around to the beginning again. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using a second ago are just here. We have stereo controls beneath that. Stereo controls continue on the left, along with cruise control and speed limiter. And then over in the center, we have the touchscreen for the van. So up here, you can access your audio options, and you'll see this car's got AM, FM and DAB radio, as well as Bluetooth audio. We've also got two separate USB inputs in this vehicle as well. So there is one directly in front of the steering wheel just there, and one at the bottom here. So you can plug devices into those. If you do that, they'll appear up on here as further options for you. We can also pair our phone by hitting Add Phone.
Search for Monovan on your device and select Monovan once it is found.
Just follow the instructions on screen after that. Working our way down with the main volume for the stereo, we then have the air conditioning. So you can turn it on and adjust the fan speed from here. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed once it enters the van. This button turns your air conditioning off, back on again, and you can obviously select the temperature over on the right hand side just here. We have heated door mirrors and a heated front screen, heated driver's seat and passenger seat, both with 3 different heat settings on each. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The plus and minus button on the side will enable you to change manually up and down a gear should you wish to do that. All that leaves for you to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the van for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.